This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink an image to a phone number in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. I am on PowerPoint now. I have a little example presentation opened up here. To hyperlink an image to a phone number in PowerPoint, it's very easy to do. I have some images up top here. Say that I wanted to hyperlink this image right here to a phone number to make it a clickable link. First thing you want to do is left click on the image to select it. I have the image selected now. I have the bounding box around the image. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top and click on the Insert tab. Insert. Then on the ribbon, you'll go down about halfway, down to where it says Link, and you want to click on Link. Then you'll go down toward the bottom, and you'll click on Insert Link. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, I am on the Existing File or Web Page tab. Make sure you're on that. Then go down to the Address area. And this right here is the formula that you want to use to insert a phone number. I'm going to place my phone number in here with that formula. I'm going to type TEL : // then followed by the phone number including the area code. And you want to end it with a /. Then you'll go down to the bottom, click on OK. Now if I place my mouse cursor over that image, it'll tell you right down here what it's linked to. The image is linked to something. I'm going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to play my PowerPoints. I'm going to click on Show Slide. Now if I go up to that image, if I click on it, it opens up my phone app. Now that's just a fictitious number that I had typed in there, but it will open your phone app and it will call that number. That is how to hyperlink a phone number to an image in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.